How to log in Bank of Melbourne online internet banking account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're going to find the search box. Type in Melbourne Bank login and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, Bank of Melbourne Internet Banking. Open it. Now at the top right corner, you're going to find the option of log on. Click on that drop down. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option of Internet Banking. Click on it. With that, you will be directed to this kind of page. From here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is fill this. Go ahead and type in your credentials. First up, go ahead and type in the card or customer number. Then type in the security number. In the case you have forgotten any of these, you can click on the option of forgotten to recover it. If you want to save your login info, check in for the option of remember me. Then type in your password. After you fill this, click on log on and just with that you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log in to Bank of Melbourne online internet banking account. In the case you haven't registered for your account yet, click on the option of register now and go through the process. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.